Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the application of step functions. Suppose there will be 5 factorial. For example, 5 factorial. So in this 5 factorial, the number of zeros how many will be? The number of zeros in 5 factorial is equal to, easily we can say the value of 5 factorial is equal to 127. So there is only one zero. Whereas in 6 factorial also number of zeros how many will be? Yeah, same, because here also this is also only one zero. This is also only one zero. So 7 factorial also how many? Only one zero. 8 factorial also one zero. 9 factorial also one zero. Whereas again 10 factorial, in 10 factorial number of zeros going to be changed. Here there will be two zeros. Why? Because here there will be one 10 will be, as well as here before 5 1 2. 5 into 2 10, here one more 10. That is why number of zeros is equal to 2. Again 11 factorial also number of zeros no change. 12 factorial, 13 factorial, 14 factorial, up to 15 factorial up to 15 factorial there is no change. Again 15 factorial onwards number of zeros going to be changed. Number of zeros will be 3 will be. Right? So like that some modifications will be. So here not only number of zeros, so whereas in 5 factorial highest powers of 2's. Suppose 5 factorial is equal to, everybody 5 factorial product of first 5 natural numbers is called as 5 factorial. That is why 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is about 2 square. This is 2 power 1, nothing but 2 cube. So highest powers of 2, so how many will be? 2 cube means 3. So highest powers of 3, so how many will be? Only 1. Highest powers of 5, so how many will be? 1. So here P means prime numbers only we are going to consider now. So primes only we are going to think. Okay. So if there is no non-primes, that is different. So first of all, what we discussed about first we discussed about primes, right? So suppose whereas in 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So highest powers of 2, highest powers of 2's. Here in 6 only 1 2, in 4 2 2's, here 1. So the total how many? 4. So highest powers of 2's contained in 6 factorial is equal to 2 power 4. So here small numbers, that is everything we are expanding and easily are finding. So whereas sometimes they are going to use 100 factorial. Find the highest powers of 2's in 100 factorial. Find the highest powers of 3's contained in 100 factorial. Or else 2020 factorial. How to find? So if you want to find here highest powers of a prime, if P is a prime number, if P is a prime number, if P is prime, the highest power of P contained in m factorial is equal to, this is about step function, step of m by p plus step of m by p square plus step of n by p cube plus and so on. If p is a prime, then highest power of p contained in n factorial. P is a prime number, then highest power of p contained in n factorial is equal to step of n by p plus step of n by p square plus step of n by p cube and so on. So here I am going to take find one example. Find the highest powers of two in 100 factorial. So here n is equal to 100, p is equal to, p is a prime number, that is 2. So here step of n by nothing but 100 by 2 plus step of 100 by 2 square 4 plus step of 100 by 2 cube 8 plus step of 100 by 2 power 4 16 plus of course remaining terms, right? So this is equal to here step of 100 by 250. Step of 50 value how much? 50 only. There is no point at all. So again 100 by 4. Instead of doing 100 by 4, here 100 already one time divided with 2. Another time divided with 2 means 20. So 50 by 2 is nothing but how much? 25. Again, here how many 2's will be? 2 cube. 2 cube means 3 times will be. Alright, 2 times we divide. One more time dividing with 2 means 24 by 2 nothing but how much? 12 point something. 12.5. Step of 12.5. What is the value of step of 12.5? 12.5 value is 12. Step. So greatest integer function here. So that is where 12. Again 16 nothing but 12 by 2. Again 12 by 2 nothing but 6. Again 6 by 2 nothing but 3. Again 3 by 2 nothing but 1.5 nothing but 1. Again 1 by 2 nothing but 0.5. Nothing but 0. Here onwards what you are going to get? Everything is going to get 0. 0, 0, 0 and so on 0. So that is why this is 50, 75, 75, 87, 97. So therefore this one can be written as 100 factorial is equal to 2 power 97 into k. 2 power 97 into k. Here k is an odd number because in this no 2 will be. All 2's we calculate together, it will be 2 power 97. The remaining amount is k. K is, there is no 2's at all. So it is the odd number. If there is no 2's, it is the odd number. That is, k is an odd number. So 100 factorial can be written as 2 power 97 into k. So like this you can able to find out about highest powers of 2's contained in n factorial. Highest powers of 3 is contained in n factorial, you can able to find easily. Highest powers of 5 is contained in n factorial, same like that. Highest powers of, one more question. Highest power of, find the highest power of 5 contained in 1000 factorial. Highest powers of 5 contained in 1000 factorial. So here 1000 by 5 step off plus step off 1000 by 5 square 25 plus and so on. So here this is equal to 1000 by 5 means 200. Again 200 by 5 means 40. Again 40 by 5 means 8. 8 by 5 means 1. So nothing but here 248 plus 149. So therefore 1000 factorial is equal to so 5 power 249 into k. 5 power 249 into k. So here itself one more model, that is find the number of zeros at the end. Find the number of zeros at the end. So if you want to find the number of zeros at the end in suppose 5 factorial, already we discussed it. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So if you want to find the number of zeros, you can able to calculate only the highest powers of 5's, because here number of 5's only will be only 1. Number of 2's how many will be? 3 will be. So comparing number of 3, number of 5's to number of 2's more will be. That is why this doesn't matter. So number of 5's only 1 will be. So 5 into 2 cube, nothing but what you are going to get? 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So only 1 0 will be. There will be only 1 0. So similarly, find the number of zeros at the end in 2020 factorial. 2020 factorial, number of zeros at the end we are going to find. So that is nothing but 2020 by 5. First highest powers of 5 I am going to find. Highest powers of 5 is contained in 2020 factorial is equal to 2020 by 5 plus 2020 by 5 square and so on. So this is how much? 404. Again this is again one more 5 means 80. Again one more 5 means 16. Again one more 5 means 3. So nothing but this is 484. 484 plus 19. 90, nothing but 400 and 503. 503. So number highest powers of ice, how many will be? Highest powers of ice is equal to 5 power 503 into K. Whereas here we can able to check about highest powers of 2's also we can able to check. Highest powers of 2's is equal to I'm not writing step. Highest powers of 2's contained in the 2020 factor. Highest powers of 2's. Step of 2020 by 2, step of 2020 by 4, step of 2020 by 8, plus and so on. This is nothing but here. So 2020 by 2 means 1010. So this is again by 2 means 505. Again by 2 means 25. 252. Again 1. 2, 6, again 63, again 31, again 15, again 7, again 3, again 1. So this is nothing but this is 1, 4. This is nothing but here. So after adding all these things, how much you are going to get? Nothing but 2013 I think so. 2013 something else you are going to get. So 2013. So this is nothing but this is 2020 vacuum is equal to 2013 into K. Sorry, K already used in 2013 into P. So this is about 2020 factorial. So number of zeros is equal to number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end 2020 factorial is equal to, so 2 power 2013 into 5 power 503 into K. So this is nothing but this is 2 into 5 whole power 503 into 2 power still how much remaining something 2013 minus 503 subtracting means 1510 something else you are going to get into KB. So think what this is 10 power 503 into 2 power 1510 into kg. So here therefore number of zeros at the end is equal to how much? So 10 power 503 means the number followed by how many zeros? 503 zeros. So like that you can able to find the number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end. Thank you.